Are you ready to have some more fun today? I know I am. Today we're going to learn some more letters of the alphabet and the sounds that they make. The next letter we're going to learn is the letter Q. The letter Q makes the sound Qu. Let's have some fun with the sound of the letter Q, which is Qu. Let's say the sound Qu together. Qu. 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 Let's have some fun now with the shape of the letter Q. Use your finger and follow along with me. Q. Q makes the Qu sound. Q. All letters have names but also make sounds. The letter Q makes the sound Qu. Shall we listen to some words that start with the letter Q and have the Qu sound together? Queen starts with the sound Qu. Queen. Can you say queen? Queen. Qu, 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 queen. Question starts with the sound Qu. Question. Can you say question? Question. Qu, 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 question. Well done. Let's think of some more words that start with the letter Q and make the Qu sound. Can you say any of these words to me? Shall we say them together? Queen, question, quack, quiet, shh, and quiz. Well done! Did you hear the Qu sound in some of those words? How many more words today can you find that start with the sound Qu? Let's make a list or take a photo of all the things that we can find that start with the letter Q and the sound Qu. There are lots of wonderful words that start with the letter Q and the sound Qu. So let's say those words again together and listen out for the Qu sound. Queen. Qu, 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 queen. Question. Qu, 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 question. Quack. Quack. Qu, qu, quack. Quiet. Shh. Qu, 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 quiet. And quiz. Qu, 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 quiz. That's quite a tricky sound to the letter, but did you follow along with me? Let's look out for some more words that start with the sound Qu. Let's look for them in books, on signs or on our screen, and listen out for the Qu sound. And let's write the letter Q again together. Q. Qu. Can you make the sound Qu when you're writing? Qu. Try practicing the letter Q today. Use your finger to write the letter Q on your leg or in the air like me. There are lots of places we can practice our letters, like using a stick to draw in the mud. How much fun would that be? How many different places can you find to practice writing the letter Q? I love looking for letters in words and listening out for the sounds that they make. Let's all listen out for the sound Qu today. And now we've found lots more words that start with the sound Qu and the letter Q. And we can start to write the letter too. So why not try this at home today and see how many more things you can find that start with the sound qua. I've had so much fun learning about the sound qua with you today. I hope you have too. So let's keep looking out for those letters, listening out for the sounds they make, and keep having fun doing it. And I'll see you again next time for some more fun learning. And have a woolly, wonderful day. Bye.